Assalamualaikum everybody and welcome to the 15th video of arithmetic progressions. In today's class we'll continue with the problems that we had started in the last class in the same exercise. The question here on the board is find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. These kind of questions are very important from examination point of view as well. So please concentrate and try to understand. Let me know if there are any doubts so that I can explain it to you in much easier way. So let us try to decode this problem and write down what we know from the question and what we are supposed to find. So find the 31st term, right? So this we are finding out. 31st term is given by A31. That we are finding out, so that will be equal to question mark. You should find out that. Whose 11th term is AP. 11th term means A11 is 38 and 16th term is A16 which is equal to 73. So 11th term is 38, A11 equals 38 and 16th term which is A16 that will be equal to 73, and we have written this data from the question. So what do we do next? We'll have, if you remember the last exercise, it is just the same way, but this is given in the form of sentences or statements. So this one, A11 equals 38 and A16 equals 73 should be converted to their general forms. So A11 can be converted to A plus 10D, correct? That will be equal to 38 and I'll call that as equation number 1. And A16 can be written in its general form as A plus 15D, that will be equal to 73, that is equation number 2. So I will write both the equations. A plus 10D is equal to 38 and second equation A minus 15D, plus 15D is equal to 73. And if you remember elimination method that we have learned in the last last exercise or last problems, you'll have to use the same one. So we will change the sign of the second equation as usual. A minus A can be cancelled. If you please recall or revise the videos before to this, if you have some confusion about this method. Plus into minus will be minus. 15D minus 10D is 5D, but 15 is a greater number and it has minus sign. You always consider the new sign that you have taken. So you get minus 5D. That will be equal to plus into minus is minus. 38 minus 73. How do you subtract that? How much is 38 minus 73? So 73 minus 38 will be 13 minus 8. 5. 6 minus 3 is 3, so you get 35. And 73 is greater, you get minus sign. So minus sign on both the sides can be cancelled. So D is equal to 35 and into 5 becomes divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. So the value of D becomes 7. Right? So next step will be put D is equal to 7 in any one equation of your choice. Let me use first one. If you want, you can also try with second one. My first equation is A plus 10D is equal to 38. A plus 10, the value of D I will write as 7 is equal to 38. A plus 10 sevens are 70 is equal to 38. Now A is equal to 38 plus 70 on taking to the other side becomes minus 70. A is equal to 38 minus 70 is minus 32 because 70 is a greater number. 70 minus 38 is 32, 70 is greater, that's why you get minus sign. So you have got D, you have got A also. But what is the question? What are we supposed to find out? A31, I'll do it in this space. A31, general form is A plus 30D. Is that correct? The value of A is minus 32 plus 30 into the value of D is 7. Minus 32 plus 37s are 7 3s are 21 and 0. So it will become 210. So 210 minus 32 will be equal to 178. That means the value of A31 for this problem is 178. Let us recall the steps that we have done now. According to the given question, we are supposed to find 31st term, which is A31, whose 11th term is A11. A11 is given as 38, and 16th term is A16, which is given as 73. Let us convert A11 and A16 into their general forms. A11 is A plus 10D and A16 is A plus 15D, equal to 38 and equal to 73 respectively. We'll take both the equations, change the sign of second equation, do elimination method, cancel A minus A, and 10D minus 15D is minus 5D, 38 minus 73 is minus 35, cancel negative sign on both the sides. 35 by 5 is 7, 5 7s are 35, so the value of D will be equal to 7. Next, put this value of D in any one equation of your choice. I will put it in first equation. First equation is A plus 10 equals 38. A plus 10 D value is 7 equals 38. A plus 10 sevens are 70 equals 38. A is equal to shift plus 70 on the other side. 38 will come first, plus 70 will go after that and become minus 70. So one mistake that I usually see students doing is they will do A is equal to, they will do 70 minus 38, which is wrong. So A is equal to, after equal sign we have 38 first, then plus 70 should go to the other side and become minus 70. So please be careful in that step. And 38 minus 72 is minus 32, because 70 is a greater number. We are supposed to find the 31st term. 31st term is A plus 30D. A is minus 32, plus 30 into D is 7. 32 minus 32 as it is, plus 37, so if you multiply 30 into 7 you get 210, and 210 minus into plus is minus, 210 minus 32 is 178. So the final answer for this problem is A31 is equal to 178. I hope you have understood, and based on the same question, same type, I will give you a different question. So the question on the board is, an AP consists of 50 terms, 50, of which third term is 12 and last term is 106. Find the 29th term. So let us first take what we are finding. We are finding 29th term, A29 equals question mark. Then what do we know? We know third term is 12. Third term is A3, which is equal to 12. And last term is 106. This AP has how many terms? 50 terms, right? Last term should be A50. Just to confuse you, they have used the word last terms. Last term here. Last term is A50 because this AP has 50 terms. That means there are 50 numbers in the given AP. So last number will be A50. Or the last term is represented by A50. Last term, which means A50, is 106. Convert A3 into general form, A50 into general form, make two equations. Use elimination method. A will get cancelled, you will get D. After getting D, put it into any one equation, you will get A. So after getting D and A, find out A29 by using the general form of A29, which is A plus 2080. Please do this question as homework and send across your solutions in the Google Classroom app. We will continue the remaining problems in the next class.